Here's the eye massager. I selected this one because this one is really nice. It has, and you will see why just in a second. So let's unbox it. The box is really nice quality, but let's speed it up, this process. So here it is. Opening from this side. Nice. So inside the box we have the massager itself, and you see how it looks like. So this is the cool thing why I like this one, because it has all these small things. Other ones, they just have like some vacuums, that's it. But this one actually has some massagers which actually vibrates and everything. See what else we have in the box. So in the box we also have, looks like a cable to charge. Yes, it's type C, that's nice. And instruction. It's one of the time when actually need to read instruction how to use it. So far so good. So let me know, guys, if you want to see if it actually works and if you want to know how it is. Thank you.